What's up guys, welcome back to Test and Review. Today I am going to challenge myself to change oil of my Jeep by myself for the first time. I got this Jeep probably 2 years ago, and I have the oil changed probably every 4,000 miles. I usually just drive to a store and have them do it. But recently I have been watching a lot of DIY videos, and I saw a lot of tutorials on how to change oils by yourself. So today I decided to challenge myself and see if I can get this done. Here is everything I got for the oil change. I got a 24mm socket and a 13mm socket. My 2017 Jeep take 5W20 oil. And also I have a new filter for it. First of all, I put a cardboard under my car to avoid leaking any oil to the floor. And then I have my oil pan ready. And I put the oil pan right under the drain plug. To open the drain plug, we would need the 13mm socket. To open it, you need a little strength. I saw a lot of videos recommend having an extension, but I managed to open without one. And finally, just unscrew it. Make sure you have the glove on. The oil is pretty hot. Give it around like 10-15 minutes to drain. Before I put the screw back on, I clean it with a paper towel. When it stopped dripping, I slowly remove the oil pan. Clean the drain plug a little bit and then screw it back. And I use the same socket to put it back. Step 2. I open the front cover of my Jeep. And take off the engine cover. Here you will find the cover of the filter. To take off the filter, we will need a long 24mm socket. With a little pressure, it's pretty easy to open. Make sure you have something that you can put the old filter on. It can get messy there. Here is my new filter that I just got. And I am actually surprised by how different they look in color. You can just simply pull the old filter out. I clean the filter a little bit before I put the new one inside. When you push the new filter in, and you will hear a click. That means it's inside properly. Then I just put the filter back in and screw it back. And tighten it with the 24mm socket. Okay, finally we can put the oil in. Find the cover that said engine oil, turn a half quarter and simply pull it out. I put the funnel there and pull the oil inside. Don't pull it too quickly, you want to give the oil a little time to go in. And we will need 6 quarts of it. And finally, I pull the dipstick out and check if the oil is full. It looks alright. Okay, now I'm done with my oil change. It's actually not as hard as I imagined. In total, it took me like around half an hour, but it's also because that I'm really unfamiliar with it. So I kind of have to figure out everything for the first time. But I am pretty confident I'll do it much better next time. And start from now on, I probably will do the oil change by myself. The 6-quarter oil plus a filter took me like around $40. There are a few mistakes that I make that I want to point out. It might be a reminder for you. First, the two sockets you're gonna need are 13mm and 24mm if you have like a 2017 Jeep Wrangler as mine. The first time I looked up, it said it needed 16, so I got a 16 sockets for the oil tank cover, and I have to go. Another thing is they have different size for the sockets. They have a longer one and a shorter one. The cover of the filter is hidden deep down within all the engines, so you need a longer one that actually gives you the access to it. Oh, one final reminder, I got a 7-quarter tank. I thought it would be more than enough because I only have 6-quarter oil inside it, but it basically filled it all the way. So it might be a good idea to get an even larger oil tank next time. Here is a checklist on everything you need for the oil change. If you like this video, please give me a big thumb up. If you have any advice for me, please feel free to leave the comment below. This is Test and Review. I'll see you in the next video.